Welcome back to the channel, thank you for tuning in. Today I've got a knife to show you from Case, and it is a Case canoe with John Deere on it. A John Deere Case canoe. See, you've got that yellow Delrin scales with a small bit of green over the top. It's coming up a little bit grey, but it is green. It is really dark green. On the camera it's coming up a bit grey. If you look down on the next to the liners, you can see there's a very small bit of green there. So it's a very small bit of green on top of the yellow Delrin, and as you can see where it's hafted down to the bolsters, it just takes that small bit of green away, which leaves it in the middle, which is nice. That John Deere's etched on there. It's on reverse camera, so I don't know if that's coming up as you can read it or not. There's John Deere on there, etched on there. Yeah, you've got them nickel silver bolsters, like copperhead bolsters, so there's no edges. Nice in the pocket, they don't get snagged on nothing. Good little pocket carry, these canoe design. Back spring is beautifully done, not a gap in it. It's very well made, this Case knife. On the main blade, let's give it a wipe off. You have got that nice spear point type blade. No swedging, very basic, very useful type blade. And the measurement on this, you've got a cutting edge of just a full length, including the tang, of just over 2.5, and a cutting edge of 2 1/4. So nice and UK legal, non-locking. And then on that tang, you have got the 3 stars at the bottom, 3 dots at the bottom, and 2 stars at the bottom. And it's advertised as 1995, but I'm unsure. If anybody knows, please put it in the comments and let me know. You have got about 6 on the pull, no half stop. Nice click into the opening. It has a lovely snap as well. Lovely snap on that close. And the pen blade, again about 6 on the pull, and you've got that nice, just mirror polished pen blade. Very basic pen blade, no swedging. And then you've got your numbers on there, and the SS for stainless steel, which you've got USA, and the model number is 42131. Lovely snap on the close. Blades are centered lovely, they're not touching the liners. Very well made knife. My father has got a John Deere tractor, and he's got a John Deere lawnmower, and he's got a John Deere Gator. So I might give this to him. I might do. We'll see. But there it is. Length, both from bolster to bolster. You have got just short of 3 3/4. So it's a nice size. Got a nice hold on there, just about 4 fingers. Choke up on that kick. I'm not sure what stainless steel Case use. I think it's just a 440, but it does sharpen up razor sharp. Doesn't hold an edge great, but it's a pocket knife. It sharpens up, and it does what I need for it to do for a pocket knife. It sharpens up razor sharp. There we go, you've got your brass liners down now. There it is. Thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. God bless you all.